Hello, this is Valerie, and today I'm unboxing the Cordless vacuum cleaner. It's an 8-in-1 lightweight stick vacuum, and today I'll be sharing with you the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself whether this would be a good fit for you. It comes with a charging wall mount, the hose, the electric floor brush. It's also supposed to come with an electric sofa brush and a pet brush, but I didn't get those. It's pretty easy to put together. You just put the extender tube into the electric floor brush and attach that to the vacuum's main body. And the set also does come with a 2-in-1 crevice tool. So this is the part that collects all the hair and it has the digital display on it at the top there. And instead of using the extended tube, you can use the hose with the crevice tool to use it like a dust buster. And that's where you put the battery in, and it only had 23% charging when I received it, so I thought I'd try it out. It is quiet and the suction doesn't seem as powerful as I hoped, but it did get up the crumbs that I was hoping to get up on my area rug. So after I vacuumed my area rug, I decided to try the mat in front of my door, and it was having trouble picking up that step. I wasn't sure if it was because of the texture of my front door mat or not, but then I noticed that I was already down to 1%, and I decided I needed to charge it, and maybe that would make a difference. I went to the store for a couple hours, came back, and the battery was only charged to 55%. Tried it again, and I think it might just be the fact that there was hair stuck in the texture of my front door mat there. So the 23% it was at when I received it only lasted for about 10 minutes. So about 5 hours later, it was fully charged at 100%, and I used it on my floor. And I love the light. The light really helps to show me all the dog hair that was on my floor that I didn't realize. It rotates easily into the corners, so I really liked that about it. And I just felt like it worked really well on my vinyl flooring. I noticed that even the suction didn't seem that powerful. It was collecting a lot of dog hair and dust in the vacuum. So then I tried it on my stairs, and I was impressed how easily it is to lift up and how perfectly it fits on my stairs. So I really like that about it. I don't have anything else that works to vacuum my stairs like this. My Dyson is just really heavy to carry up onto each stair, so I'm really liking it for this reason alone. It didn't take long though for it to already be at 55%. And one thing you need to know, if you're looking for like another Dyson vacuum in a stick form, this isn't it. This is more like a dust buster, a handheld type vacuum that you'll use in a stick form, because you still have to bend over when you're using it. So I think this is really made to be more like a handheld type of vacuum cleaner, only it's just a little bit longer because they call it a stick vacuum. So this is the first one I've owned, and this is attaching the hose to it, and as you can see though, the suction works even though it doesn't seem that powerful. It sucked up the sock. So pros, it vacuumed up everything I wanted it to on my vinyl floors. It has a light and it made everything easy to see. It's easy to lift up and easy to vacuum my stairs on. I love it for all those reasons. Cons, it takes a long time to charge and the charge doesn't last long. It doesn't stand up on its own, and it does need to be charged and plugged in with the battery. Although the description says the battery lasts about 40 minutes, it only lasted about 15 for me.